What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Makay Nicole, and I'm back with another video.
Hey, well, I'm a city girl, that North Miami where it all goes down. Heard it no pity where you at, and your dad don't know that you're so well off and found. She don't love no one but herself.
I'm going to be doing a video on freshman advice. I'm just going to be giving advice to all my freshmen out there. Even if you ain't a freshman, you need this advice, I'm going to be giving you some. But I'm going to be doing a mukbang with it, and I just got some Zaxbys, and I'm just going to be, I have all my little advice written down on my iPad. Wait, it ain't even charging up and it's on 1%, so I'm confused. But y'all, as y'all can see, your girl got her hair done today, and yesterday, and she looked good. Okay, period. This color, and I got my nails done today, so y'all can't tell me nothing now. Eyebrows done tomorrow. It just went dead again. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when it come back on. Okay, y'all, so my iPad finally came back on. So now I can do it. I just been sitting here me trying to save my food at the same time. Wait for my iPad to come back on. Okay, so by the way, I got, like I said, I got Zaxbys, wings and things. But okay, let me get into the first one. And by the way, yeah, I do smack, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna try not to. But okay, the first one is be yourself. Like, don't change for nobody. You know what I mean? Like, somebody gonna come and like you for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't gotta change to fit in or be somebody's friend. Girl, forget them. Or a boy, forget them. It don't matter. The next one is peer pressure. Do not let nobody peer pressure you into doing nothing you don't want to do, especially like smoking or drinking, whatever it may be. Don't let nobody peer pressure you into doing something you don't want to do, just whatever it may be. Y'all, my nephew trying to spy on me. He's trying to do a video trying to spy on me, and I see him right here. He keep getting mad because I keep catching him. But the next one is, oh yeah, sometimes your friends are gonna change. Like, you're not gonna have the same friends, y'all. The same friends you walking in with, you're not gonna walk out with the same ones by your 12th grade year. I'm in 12th grade now, and I'm walking out with one good friend, like one best friend. And when I was a freshman, I was going in, I had a lot of friends, but you know, I don't have no friends for real. I have associates, but I don't have no friends for real. The next one is do your work. Stay focused, y'all, because this is your first year in high school. You get a clean slate. Don't slack off, none of that. Do your work, stay focused, so it won't be so hard later on down the line. Set a good reputation for yourself. Don't be out here doing nothing y'all ain't got no business doing. You know what I mean. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't be doing it. Tell y'all. Set a good reputation for yourself. Oh yeah. Know your classes are like beforehand, before the first day of school. Because I'm not gonna lie, I was a little lost. Well, I was a lot lost. Like, try to, if you already know people at the high school, try to ask and stuff like that, because I didn't do that, you know. So I would like ask around before the first day of school to make sure, like, where this so-and-so class is, so you will know, so you won't be lost. So that's the worst thing to be. Don't compare yourself to others. Like I was saying before, somebody's gonna come around and like you for you, baby. You ain't gotta try to put your standards up to a certain level just cause somebody else will like you. Like, girl, forget them. Period. Be yourself, because like I was saying before, somebody gonna come around and like you for you. So just be yourself and just have fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, when just be in ninth grade once, high school once, period. So don't spend your time trying to be somebody you're not. Stay organized, y'all. Like, I feel like I'm pretty organized. Like, I'm not messy. I don't think so. So stay organized. It's gonna help you in the long run. It's just gonna help you a lot, just period. Cause you just don't want no messy binder, no messy locker, nothing like that. Don't bring a lot of supplies. Yeah, don't bring all them supplies. Don't be head ass and try to bring all them supplies. Girl, you don't need them. Put them back. All you need is a couple pens, pencils, notebook. I use one binder now for all my classes, so you don't need lots of supplies. Don't slack off, y'all. Just do your work from start to finish, y'all. Just don't, like, when you come back, because a lot of people, when they come back from like Christmas break and stuff like that, they start to slack off and then just ready for the year to be over with. Don't do that. Stay on your stuff from start to finish so you won't have a hard time trying to get your grades back up if you slip a little bit. Don't let nobody bully you. Like, who are they to be bullying somebody? You're not God. Calm down. I feel like everybody got a little fight in them, so you could just tell that person, if you're not no fighter, tell that person chill out. You know what I'm saying? Like, but just don't let nobody bully you, because these people don't be nobody to be bullying nobody on everything. I promise you they don't. These folks don't be no bullies for real. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, y'all see him. He's still trying to style me. And last but not least, y'all, have fun, y'all. This is high school where you're supposed to make memories and stuff like that. Like, go to the games and stuff like that. Even though I don't know for real, but go to the games. Do stuff with your classmates. That's what I'm trying to do this year. Like, just have fun. This is my senior year. Like, last year of high school, I'm just trying to make the best out of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what you gotta do. Like, but yeah, that's really all, y'all. But I start my senior year Tuesday, and I'm so excited.
I start. When do I start? Well, I start 5th grade Tuesday.
We're both gonna be seniors.
I'm BS elementary senior. Oh, this is my stocking cap.
But yeah. I feel like most of these rules, well, it's advice for real. I feel like it's good stuff, you know? Am I smacking it? Am I smacking? I'm trying not to. But yeah, y'all. That's all for real. And I bully you. Oh yeah, this is the quote for y'all. Get on your stuff, stay on your stuff, so I don't want nobody to tell you nothing. Period. Because if you on your stuff, what they gonna say? That's what I thought. Nothing. Because me, I stay on my stuff. And that's just that on that.
Stay tuned for some more videos, because I'm going to be doing back to school home, all of that stuff. Once I get on today. Like, I had it a couple weeks ago and it was really good. And I was ready to give it dinner. Yeah, I look cute. It's because of what Taco Bell has up. Yeah, I want to know when I get at Taco Bell. But yeah, y'all, look at this one.
But yeah, y'all, that completes this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me some more videos y'all want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.